What is up, guys? Welcome back to Stance Addicts. Here we are again in the garage with my baby right here, bag SRT4. If you guys haven't followed or subscribed to the channel, please subscribe down below. Hit the notification button so you'll never miss another Stance Addicts video. And like that, guys, let's get to it. We got the new seats in the bad boy right here. Braum racing seats. They're the Sports X Elite seat series, which is the white ones. I already have one installed for you guys, but I'm gonna show it to the end. First, I'm gonna show you guys how to get yourself into aftermarket seats with only like 80 bucks of just angle bar and some welding, and we're using some of this stock seat brackets. So I had an issue. I was gonna install these stock seat brackets on these new seats, but it turned out it was just shitty setup. It wasn't gonna work, so I ended up salvaging it. But I found out by taking these little legs from this seat brackets. I have two welds here. Just if you drilled into these, take these leg brackets off. You could, I'll show you guys, you'll be able to install that, weld it on your own risk. I'm not a badass welder, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. I have already drilled in the two holes right here, which if you guys are not precise, you guys get into this issue here. But this one's already drilled out, and all I gotta do is just pretty much bang it out. It usually comes off super easy if you get it right in the good spot, see? But it has this little weld that I didn't cut off with the, if you're not spot on it with the weld, with the drill bit, that's the issue you guys are gonna get. See, it's coming off. Yes! Got it. See that, boys? This is what it is. When you guys have hold of these, all you guys gotta do is buy yourself angle steel bar or something. This is the 1/8, 2-inch each side. So all you do is gotta slide it in there. There you go. And then get the measurements that you want in there. Install these on the floor. Cut the size you want, which I figured that 16 inches was good enough for me. So I'll cut them in 16 inches. Put it on the floor. Sit these down. Put it where I want it. Tack it. Bring it down here and just weld them down. Paint them. Throw them back in. That's how simple it's gonna get if you want to get these in there, just to save yourself some money. Oh yeah, guys, it's ridiculous the prices for these seats. Brackets, they're about, if you get lucky, at 250 bucks for the pair. But with this here, you just cut these, get yourself some $20 pieces here. I got two of these. And if you have a welder, shit, you save some money there. All right, guys, we're gonna remove the other three. I'm gonna show you a quick way how I did it, so you guys can see the seats finally in this car. Like the other one I have here, but you guys can't see it yet to the video. Let's get it. All right, guys. Don't mind the floor. It's fucking dirty after so many years of spots I couldn't reach, but it would be clean. But anyways, I got the 16-inch pieces here. I gotta place these brackets here all around, bolt it down, and then you're gonna place these like that, and then weld the other side. Do the same thing over there, and you should have your seat brackets ready to go. All right, guys, here it is. I got the brackets that I made, and then the sliders that came with the Braum racing seats. Now what I'm gonna do is grab my sliders. This piece right here is gonna go on the bracket on the bottom, and this is gonna go on top under the seat. And then this right here faces forward. That's the front part of the seat, and this is the back. See, 3 dots in the front and these 2 holes in the back. It's gonna go like this, like that. Now I'm gonna get the bolts, and I'm gonna bolt it down, call it good from there. Pretty much ready to put back in the seat. After I get these holes done, it should be pretty much ready for me to bolt down the seat on it and then move it into the car. Here we are back with the seats out of the box. This is my driver's seat here. I already have my passenger seat is already in. So I'm just gonna do this one so I can show you guys how I just installed these new brackets here that I got here. How they go on there, and then boom, slam them in there. So what I figured, guys, is that it's easier just to install the brackets, the sliders onto the seat when it's out, and then just bring that inside the car and then bolt it down. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm super hyped to get this freaking done. I also got a bolt for my, I'm using the stock seat buckle. Now you have two options: either put the sliders on right now on the bracket, or put the sliders on the seat and then put the bracket. I forgot how I did the other one, which is a couple of days ago. So what I think I'm gonna do is put the brackets on, put the sliders on the bracket, and then slap it on there, see how that goes. You gotta remember that this side here goes on the bottom and this side goes on top, like that. So it'll be like this. All right, guys, I got the sliders bolted on, the brackets here. So now it's time to install these on here. Guys, I got the brackets on. Finally, I put my stock seatbelt buckle thing. Now it's time to slap it over there. All right, guys. Finally, I got these seats mounted after a long fight. I was just having issues bolting it down on the floor. I had to use my impact gun on that. And it finally went in. But yeah, guys. Are you guys ready to see this? Let's get it, guys. I'm not gonna let you guys wait any longer. But these seats look super sick in the car, man. I love the white seats just because it's gonna stand out through my windshield, you know, and it's gonna look so fucking badass. Let me show you real quick what I done. Look at this. Damn. Tell me I don't look sexy. I'm gonna leave these on for now. These seat covers here, but I'm gonna get you guys better video and pictures of it without the wrap and stuff, but I'm just gonna leave that because I don't want to get these seats dirty. I'm a very picky guy. So I'm gonna wait till I buy the seat covers that Braum sell, and I'm gonna sport those out on these seats and only show these seats in shows, you know what I'm saying? So I just want these things to last, you know? I don't shit money, I take care of my stuff. But yeah, guys, anyways, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these fucking seats. Look so sick. Big shout out to Braum Racing for hooking me up with these seats. I'm so fucking in love, guys. It gives my car a whole fucking new look. Not just that, but it also gives me a better feeling in this car, you know what I'm saying? Feels more race car status right now. Like I said, I'm gonna take this car out for a drive right now, and I'm gonna show you guys without none of this stuff. But yeah, guys, I got the incline to work. Incline works, you know what I'm saying? Declines, I got the seatbelt ready to go for both. This car is ready to go, bolted down. Now I'm gonna work a little bit more on my interior, get some more little custom pieces in here just to make it look even better, change it up a little bit. Let's go take it out, and I'm gonna show you how it looks out in the street. But damn, these things are game changers, boys. One more time, sheesh! I'm driving my car, guys, and these seats feel sturdy. They feel freaking nice. I feel hugged in them, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, guys, these seats feel so badass. They look fucking nice too. You know what I'm saying? They're fucking wide from the top, so kind of makes it hard for me to look behind over here, see what the kids are doing. I'm gonna take you guys to a spot over here just to take those quick video shots for you. All right, guys, so here we are. Found a spot for you guys, and I'm gonna take a quick video for you guys so you guys can check them out. But these seats look fucking sick. Damn, let me show you guys.
Hop out the coupe to the V. All of this money done made them upset. Hit up the plug for them pounds of finesse. Living so good, baby, I cannot stress. Give me a meal, I can't take nothing less. I can't believe that my life was a mess. Damn it, the devil just gave me a test. You calling her phone when she giving me next. These bitches they choosing, so tell me who next. Better meet me in person, I ain't dealing in text. She get realer. I'm in the jungle gorilla. I cannot fuck with that hoe, she a spitter. I'm in the block, man, I stay with my niggas. She wanna fuck when she look at my diamonds. You want that beef, nigga, why is you hiding?
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That cinematic. It's fucking cold outside, so give me some credit. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video of me installing the seats. Big shout out to Braum Racing for hooking me up with these badass, sexy looking seats, man. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these seats in my car. Let me know how it looks, you know what I'm saying? It looks so sick. Damn. Makes me always want to look at this thing. All right, guys, so if you guys want more videos, make sure to hit the like, share. It's gonna help me out, and it's gonna help you guys by getting more content. So let's get it, boys. Another banger for y'all. Sheesh. And we're out. Peace.